incident matrix. So how to calculate incident matrix from a graph? सबसे पहला काम जो हर चीज के लिए आपको करना है, इफ नेटवर्क इज गिवन, फर्स्ट फाइंड द ग्राफ. Give number to each node and branch. Generally, nodes are represented by A, B, C, D, E, and so on, and branches will be represented by 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. So first we have to draw the graph of that network, and we have to give the number to each node and each branch of that network. Then second, give direction to each branch. हर branch को we have to give a direction. It is not fixed कि आपको किस direction में देना. It is your choice. It is depending on user. यूजर के ऊपर डिपेंड करता है कि क्या डायरेक्शन देनी है. Clear? So let's consider we have a network and we have drawn a graph like this: 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have some kind of network, and then we have to give a number to each node. We will giving A, B, C, D, and we have to give the number to each branch: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Then we have to give the direction to each. It is not specified कि आपको direction क्या लेनी है. It is your choice. आप क्या direction consider करते हैं. This is the part which we have already discussed, how to draw the graph. So we have drawn a graph. Now there are some matrices which will be used for analyzing these networks with the help of graph. तो सबसे पहला जो आता है, that is incidence matrix. It is simply represents which branch is incident to which node and its direction. Represents which branch is incident on which node and its direction. Means simply कौन कौन सी ब्रांच किस नोड पे कनेक्टेड है और उनकी डायरेक्शन क्या है. इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय दिस मैट्रिक्स, इंसिडेंट मैट्रिक्स, एंड इट इज रिप्रेजेंटेड बाय मैट्रिक्स ए. तो मैट्रिक्स ए, एलिमेंट ए आई जे, it can be 1, it can be -1, or it can be 0. It can have 3 values: 1, -1, or 0. 1 and -1 means branch is connected to that node, and 0 means branch is not connected to that node. That means if branch J is associated with node I. दोनों. If the branch J is associated with node I, and if the branch is with node I, and 0 if branch J is not connected to node I. 1 means connected, 0 means not connected. Now, when we will be giving 1 and when we will be giving -1. 1 means oriented away from the node. Oriented away, अगर डायरेक्शन बाहर की तरफ है, आउटगोइंग है, then it will be positive, and if oriented towards the node, then it will be -1. जैसा हम इसमें करते थे नोडल एनालिसिस के वक्त, if the current is outgoing we will be considering it as positive, and if the current is incoming we will considering it as a negative. So simply we have to use that if connected and direction is outgoing +1, if connected and direction is out incoming -1, and if not connected it will be 0. तो सिंपली वही नेटवर्क जो अभी हमने लिया था, तो सबसे पहले मैट्रिक्स ए, it will be depending on, here we will be having nodes, nodes will be represented by rows and branches will be represented by columns. So for finding matrix A, here you write nodes A, B, C and D. A, B, C and D, and here you have to write branches 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now node number A, or you can go from branches also. Branch number 1, it is connected to node A and node B. That means at node A and node B we will be having 1, and at C and D we will be having 0. And at node A, current direction is outgoing. That means positive. And if at node B, direction is incoming, that means -1. So node B, it will be -1. Then node 2, sorry, branch 2. Branch 2 is connected between B and C. So at B it will be 1 and C it will be 1. A it is 0 and D it is 0. Now at B it is outgoing, that means positive. At C it is incoming, that means negative. Branch 3 connected between A and D. That means B and C will be 0, A and D will be 1. And at A it is incoming, that means -1. And at D it is outgoing, that means +1. 4, B and D, so it is A0 and C0, B1 and D1, D पे +1 और B पे -1. 5, C and D, A0, B0, C पे और D पे 1, C पे -1 और D पे 1. And 6, it is connected between A and C. A and C will be 1, 0 and 0. And at C, it will be incoming, that is -1. To check, you sum up column. हर column का आप add कर लो, it will be always 0. तो first check is, हर column को add करो, 1 -1 0 0. Sum must be 0. 0 0 0 0 0 and 0. Second, you check at node A. We have 1, 3 and 6. 1, 3 and 6. 1 and 6 are outgoing and 3 is incoming. So you can check like this. This is how we will be finding इंसिडेंट मैट्रिक्स A. किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन इसमें देखो एक बार. Simply we have given if a incident matrix branch is connected, it will be 1 or -1, not connected 0. किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन? मैट्रिक्स A कैलकुलेट करने में नहीं? So this is how we will be finding incident matrix A. Then we have reduced incident matrix. Reduced incident matrix कुछ नहीं है. We have to make one node as reference. जैसा हम नोडल एनालिसिस के वक्त कर रहे हैं, तो one node as a reference, we have to make one node as reference and we have to remove that node. From incidence matrix. तो मान लो हमने D को रेफरेंस माना, तो you will be having only this. This is your reduced incidence matrix. To differentiate this, incident matrix will be written as AA and incident matrix is written as A. Reduced incident will be written by A and complete incident matrix will be written by AA. क्लियर है सबको? नाउ व्हाट इज द यूज ऑफ दिस इंसिडेंट मैट्रिक्स? What is the use of incident matrix? It is to find KVL and KCL. Equations. So how to find? Give current to each branch. हर ब्रांच को एक करंट दे दो. वन ब्रांच नंबर 1 करंट I1, ब्रांच नंबर 2 करंट I2, ब्रांच नंबर 3 करंट I3, ब्रांच नंबर 4 करंट I4, branch number 5 current I5 and branch number 6 current I6. तो इंसिडेंट मैट्रिक्स से क्या होगा? If you multiply incident matrix with currents, it will give you 0. बहुत सिंपल सी बात. I1, 1 is I1, I2, I3, I4. The incident matrix is 1 0 minus 1 0 0 1 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 0 0. हाँ, एक जो हमने अभी इंसिडेंट मैट्रिक्स बनाया था वही वापस लिख रहा हूं. This is your incident matrix AA, and we have to multiply it with I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 and I6 equal to 0. So simply multiply कर दो. क्या आएगा? I1 minus I3 plus I6 equal to 0.
सर ये सेकंड रो में देखना एलिमेंट्स अलग है.
सॉरी
0 1 1 1
1 0 माइनस. हाँ, तो सिंपली मैट्रिक्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन किया. I1 माइनस I3 प्लस I6 इक्वल टू 0. इसमें लिखेंगे तो इट विल बी माइनस I1 प्लस I2 minus I4 equal to 0, minus I2 minus I5 minus I6 equal to 0, and I3 plus I4 plus I5 equal to 0. अब अगर इस इक्वेशन, इस सर्किट की बात करें, this is I1, this is I2, this is I3, this is I4, this is I5 and this is I6. क्या होगी इक्वेशन नोड ए पे? I1 आउटगोइंग, I1, I3 incoming, so that is minus I3 plus I6 equal to 0. You match it with equation number 1. At node B क्या हो जाएगा? minus I1 plus I2 minus I4 equal to 0. Similarly, at node number C, minus I2 minus I5 minus I6 equal to 0, and at node D I3 plus I4 plus I5 equal to 0. That means incident matrix is giving you your KCL equation. Clear? Clear है? Now, how to find KVL equation? For KVL equation, we have to give what is branch voltage and what is node voltage. तो क्या करें, ब्रांच वोल्टेजेस को हम कर देते हैं V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 एंड V6. 6 ब्रांचेस थी, 6 का एक वोल्टेज हो गया V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, और हर नोड पे हमने वोल्टेज दे दिया VA, VB, VC एंड VD. हर ब्रांच को हमने एक वोल्टेज दिया V1, V2, V3, V4, V5, V6, एंड हर नोड को हमने वोल्टेज दे दिया VA, VB, VC एंड VD. Now your incident matrix will represent branch voltage in terms of node voltage. It is simply AA का transpose into Vn equal to Vb. Vn is node voltage and Vb is branch voltage. तो वही VA का ट्रांसपोज हमने लिखना है, तो दैट विल बी 1 minus 1 0 0, sorry, 1 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 0 1 minus 1 1 0 minus 1 0 0 0 minus 1 0 0 minus 1 1. ट्रांसपोज लिखना है, ट्रांसपोज सिंपल 0 0 1 1 1 0. मैट्रिक्स ए का ट्रांसपोज कर दिया हमने. ट्रांसपोज मींस रो विल बिकम कॉलम एंड कॉलम विल बिकम रो. तो ये हो गया इनटू योर क्या, नोड वोल्टेजेस. नोड वोल्टेजेस इज VA, VB, VC and VD, and equal to your branch voltages V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6. मल्टीप्लाई करो, क्या आएगा, VA minus VB equal to V1, VB minus VC equal to V2, minus VA plus VD equal to 0. Sorry, equal to V3 minus VB plus VD equal to V4 minus VC plus VD equal to V5. And VA minus VC equal to V6. अब अगर आप ओरिजिनल नेटवर्क को देखो, दिस इज V1, V2, V3, V4, V5 and V6. This voltage VA, VB, VC and VD. So V1 is VA minus VB. V2 is VB minus VC. V3 is VD minus VA. V4 is VD minus VB. V5 is VD minus VC. And V6 is VA minus VC. This is how we will be getting the KVL and KCL equations with the help of incident matrix. इसमें किसी को कोई अभी भी कंफ्यूजन हो? कोई कंफ्यूजन? किसी को कोई कंफ्यूजन नहीं है? चलो तो फाइंड write the incident matrix